Hey there, wonderful subscribers. I am absolutely thrilled to share this moment with you today. We've just reached 100 amazing subscribers on this channel, and I couldn't be more grateful for your support. This journey started back in 2012 when I first dipped my toes into the world of YouTube. I began by sharing trailers and short films, and it was a fantastic experience, but I realized that I needed more. I wanted to create content that truly resonated with me and with you, and I wanted to do it consistently. Over the years, we've explored comedy, magic, and cardistry, and it was an absolute blast. However, I faced challenges in maintaining a consistent upload schedule due to limited resources. But times have changed, and I've found my true passion. This channel is taking a new direction, and I couldn't be more excited about it. Our focus will now be on Blender, the most powerful open-source 3D software that I've come to love. From the moment I started using Blender with the 2.93 release, I was hooked. Having experience with 3D software like Maya and Cinema 4D, I was blown away by Blender's flexibility. What sets Blender apart for me is the ability to customize the software to my exact needs. With my background in basic programming languages, I even started coding and creating my own add-ons. These have been a big hit, and I've been sharing them on this channel. Now, as we look ahead, we're going to dive deeper into Blender's world. This channel will be your go-to place for all things Blender, from add-ons to related products. I'll be handpicking the most exciting tools, add-ons, and content to make it all digestible for you. Whether you're new to Blender or an experienced user, there will be something here for you. So, what can you expect from this channel? You'll get in-depth reviews of Blender add-ons and tutorials on how to use them effectively. I'll share my insights and tips to help you make the most out of this incredible software. And if you're wondering about the content you used to enjoy here, don't worry. I've got you covered. If you want more of my comedy, magic, and cardistry related content, you can head over to my other channel. There, I'll continue to bring you laughter and awe-inspiring tricks. In conclusion, thank you for being a part of this milestone with me. 100 subscribers is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or requests, please don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Your feedback means the world to me. So, let's celebrate 100 subscribers and look forward to the exciting Blender-focused content that awaits us. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Once again, thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deep into the world of Blender. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and stay awesome.